Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 50s/60s. I don't actually know what era this is. Hairstyle. You do need to add the headband and the glasses because without it, it looks kind of weird. But let's get started with the video. Well, with the tutorial, the video started already, but you can probably see what I use. I use this. Color it to whatever color you like, of course. I use this hair as well as this one. Where did it go? You can also use this ponytail if you would like to, but it's not like as high as the other one. You can actually use both if you want as well. Oh, here it is. It just looks weird like from here, as you can tell. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use this like headband and toggle it to the second one. You can toggle it to the third one actually, so it's more precise. I'm just going to color this cute yellow. Then I'm going to add these sunnies, and then I'll do a bob head too. And then you can color it to yellow maybe, but I like it white, so there's not too many yellows. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!